going on, guys? It's Mex and I'm on the road today. My friend Joe is collecting a sick pair of shoes and I'm gonna go and collect them with him. I want to show you guys because, well, they're sick. Not really my style, but they're sick, and I want to see them because they're sick, and I want you guys to have a look at them. And I think it would be really cool for me to document his collection, because the way he won this raffle was sick. It was mad. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the picture he posted of his collection to win the chance to purchase the shoe. And then we're gonna go through their collection. I'm in central London, just started going to Selfridges, meet up with him. So I'll see you guys in a bit.
She like music, she from Houston, like Auntie Beyonce. Man, my daughter couldn't have a better mother. If she ever find another, you better love her. Man, I swear my life is perfect. I can burn shit. If I die, I'll probably cry at my own service. It was a dream. You cannot mess with the beat. This is like them in the rings. Y'all know what I mean? Live with the kids and the king of my beats. This is the holiest thing. This is the business play.
What's this? Yes. Yes. Hi, señor. Joe and I just here for the collection. Let's see how these new, what are we collecting? Oh, the Parra AM1s. Like I said, I'm not an AM1 guy, but this guy is. So I'm going to show you guys the collection at some point, his collection. But right now, let's get this collection done. Come on. What was that? No. Special box. No. Yeah, super, but it's good. Cheese is, I know what you can do. Just get in the way of the picture and the video and just about everything. Can't get away from the curries.
Still sitting.
I know. Yeah, fuck that. These are alright. These are alright. Yeah, it does. These are alright, you know. A left shoe out.
Yeah, they're nice.
These are nice. Oh, these are still sitting. I haven't unboxed mine yet.
Yeah,
but they're sitting. They're nice though. They're so comfortable. Have you tried these? They're so comfortable. I just can't get to grips with see-throughness and stuff. But yeah, they've got some good heat.
We did until.
Yes, guys. So the raffle collection's done. I'm looking after his shoes. I got my off-white, obviously gotta look fresh. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this really quick vlog, really quick video, just to say sick Parras, right? Like I said, I'm not an AM1 guy, but they're really sick. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna make sure he does an unboxing for us so we can get a good look at the shoe and so on. But until then, see you later.
I do not talk to the vermin.